जैकलीन का फेस जब भी मैं देखती हूँ तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल स्माइल। तो जब आपको कोई ऐसा कहता है कि वाह व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल स्माइल, तो आपको खुद कैसा लगता है?
I actually do think that a beautiful smile is very important, and it possibly is like one of the most beautiful things you can notice about a person.
किक तो ऑलरेडी शूट चल रही है एंड द रॉय को लेकर लॉट ऑफ कंफ्यूजन, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
No, actually, everything is going according to schedule. We will start shooting in the next 2 months for Roy, and I will shoot it alongside with Kik as well.
सुना है कि किक की सेट पे भी सलमान आपको बहुत लाइक यू नो फिजिकल, लाइक मैं अगर एक्सरसाइज की भी बात करूँ, लॉट ऑफ टिप्स आप दोनों भी इंजॉय कर रहे हैं, तो टेल अस कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट रहा हो।
Actually, we're both fitness buffs,
Yeah.
so it's especially when we're on the outdoor schedules and we've wrapped up with shooting. It's not just me; it's the entire team of Kik that goes to the gym, and everyone's working out. And of course, Salman is the inspiration for all of us. But yeah, it's great. It's a very healthy and fun set.
तो यू विल सजेस्ट कि लोग यहाँ पर भी आके आई नो आए इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ द पर्सनैलिटी टू कम हियर स्माइल बार एंड डू समथिंग?
Yes, I think it's I mean, one of the coolest things I've seen, and I'm so glad that the Smile Bar has been brought down here. It's a very simple, quick, easy procedure as well. And I know everyone wants that beautiful smile. Everyone wants beautiful teeth as well. And white teeth is an instant. It just instantly freshens up the face, So I think that a lot of people will be very happy that the Smile Bar has finally arrived in Mumbai.
आप लोग कोई स्टिमी सीन कर रहे हो, कोई किसिंग सीन कर रहे हो, तो इट हैज़ टू बी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट ओके आई हैव टू लाइक जस्ट टेक केयर ऑफ माई लाइक द स्मेल एंड समथिंग, या तो कभी आपको भी ऐसा कुछ सोचना पड़ा है, कभी ऐसा कुछ किया हो तो?
Not. Yeah, you have to be very mindful to your co-actors, and it's not just about, let's say, kissing scenes, but even when you're doing scenes close to each other, you have to make sure that you haven't had any onions or garlic for lunch or nashta, and that you're always chewing on gum. So, but it is actually it's I think actor etiquette. Yes.
Thanks so much for your time, Jacqueline. All the best for your career. Thank you.